Third day up here at the lake. We got the deck kind of cleaned off. See, not a lot of yard left. Trying to get started cleaning up some trash. Windows aren't in that great a shape. Go inside real quick. I don't know how well we're going to be able to see. It's pretty dark. Quite a bit of mud everywhere. Sheetrock's almost completely gone. Pretty much destroyed everything. Old laundry room. Kitchen cabinets are pretty well trashed. It's pretty dark back here. I don't know how well shine my flashlight around a little bit. Bathroom. Get through here. This would have been my old bedroom. Looking into Mom's closet. Mom's bedroom. About 7 or 8 inches of mud there. And out the back door.